Hello students, today my topic is modern periodic table of class 10th. Basically modern periodic table is based on the atomic number of elements. Atomic number of elements is equal to number of proton in an atom of element. Since number of the proton and electron in an atom are equal, therefore an atom is neutral. Now the significance of the atomic number. The significance of atomic number in the classification of elements is that it being equal to the number of electron in an atom. It helps in arranging the elements according to their electronic configuration. And on that basis, Moseley in 1913 so that the atomic number of an element is more fundamental property than the atomic mass, and hence atomic number is a better basis for the classification of element. Therefore the concept that the atomic number is the basic of the modern periodic table given by the Moseley. In modern periodic table, we arrange the element on the basis of increasing atomic number. The modern periodic table states that the properties of element are a periodic function of their atomic number. According to modern periodic table, According to modern periodic table, the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. According to modern periodic table, the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. As per the modern periodic table, the properties of element are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. In the modern, it means the elements are arranged in tabular form in order of increasing atomic number. When the elements are arranged according to increasing atomic numbers, there is periodicity in the electronic configuration of elements, and the periodicity in electronic configuration of elements leads to the periodicity in chemical properties. Basically, the modern periodic table finally prepared by Bohr, therefore modern periodic table also known as Bohr periodic table. It is also known as long form of periodic table in which elements are arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number. In modern periodic table, basically there are the 18 groups and 7 periods. Groups means groups means vertical column and periods means horizontal row. Groups means vertical column and periods means horizontal row. The vertical column known as group and the horizontal row of elements in periodic table are called periods. There are total 7 periods in the long form of periodic table. The elements in a period have consecutive atomic number. The elements in a period have consecutive atomic number. Since we know that there are the total 7 periods in a modern periodic table, the first period contains only 2 elements, therefore known as very short period, hydrogen and helium in first period. The second period contains 8 elements and it is called short period. And the third period contains only 8 elements, therefore it is also known as the short period. And the fourth period contains 18 elements and known as long periods. Fifth period contains 18 elements and known as long period. Sixth period contains 32 elements and therefore known as very long period. And the seventh period contains rest of the element. It is incomplete. In the first period, only 2 elements, which is known as very short period because this contains only 2 elements. Second period, 8 elements. Short period, third period contain 8 elements, therefore it is also known as short period. Fourth period contain only 18 elements, therefore known as long period. Fifth period also contain 18 elements and known as long period. And the sixth period contain 32 elements and known as very long period. And in the seventh period, rest of the element, and it is at present it is incomplete. All of you know that the vertical column in a periodic table is called groups. Vertical column known as groups. There are total 18 groups in the long form of periodic table, and in which the group 1 and 2 and 13 to 17 contain normal elements, or we can so say that it is known as representative element. Group 1, group 2, group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 known as representative element. Group 1 known as alkali metal, group 2 known as alkaline earth metal, group 13 known as boron family, group 14 carbon family, group 15 nitrogen family, group 16 oxygen family, group 17 halo family. All these are the name of different groups. All the elements in a group have similar electronic configuration and so similar chemical properties, as well as the valence electron of a particular group is the same. For example, in group 1, which is known as alkali metal, name of the element which is present in group 1 is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. All these have the same valence electron, which is 1, and the valency of a group is also 1, and the valency of that group is also 1. All element of group 1 show similar chemical properties. In the same way, the another element, suppose in case of group 17, or the group 17 element is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. In case of group 17, valence electron of group 17 is 7 and the valency is -1. All member of the group 17 show similar chemical properties. In case of group 18, the valence electron is, all member of group 18 show the same valence electron except helium, that is 8. Only helium has 2 valence electron, and the remaining other element of group 18 show the same valence electron, that is 8, and they are known as noble gas or inert gas due to the inactive nature of that element. Since the outermost electron of that element is completely filled, therefore they are non-reactive, or we can say that they are of inert nature. Now we discuss about the position of hydrogen. The position of hydrogen in the modern periodic table is not clear, although it is present in group 1 at the top place of group 1 and the period 1. Since hydrogen has the some properties similar with the alkali metal, therefore it is placed in group 1. But hydrogen also shows some properties similar with halogen. As an alkali metal, hydrogen react with non-metal and form hydride, but as a halogen it exists in diatomic form or in gaseous form. Therefore, the position of hydrogen in modern periodic table is not clear because due to some properties which is similar with alkali and some properties similar with halogen. Now the valence electron of different group. Element of group 1 have same valence electron, that is only 1, and the group element of group 2, so the valence electron is valence electron is equal to 2. On the basis of the valence electron we can say about the groups, but when we talk about the group 13, then the valence electron is equal to group number minus 10, that is 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. When we are talking about the group 14, this is group 13, now group 14, valence electron is equal to 14 minus 10 equal to 4. In case of group 15, valence electron is equal to 15 minus 10 equal to 5. In case of group 16, valence electron equal to 6. 16 minus 10 equal to 6. 17 minus 10, 7 valence electron of, and in case of group 18, valence electron is equal to 8. 18 minus 10 equal to 8. Thank you. In next class we discuss about the different properties, different trends of atomic size, chemical reactivity, metallic character as well as nature of oxide. Thank you.